Error code 5020 means that the HV current is too high. This is usually caused by dirty or damp deflection plates. These plates are also called high voltage plates. If the deflection plates are dirty, thoroughly clean both plates. If they are damp, blow them dry. Always dry them after cleaning and keep them clean and dry.